Sailing direction, often called as pilots, are publications that provide detailed information supplementing nautical charts for coastal and portal navigation. They offer local knowledge including navigation, hazard, voyage pilotage regulation, and information about countries or ports and facilities. The publications are essential for planning and executing coastal passages, especially when detailed information is not readily available on charts is needed. Provided by the sailing direction, navigational hazards, information on reefs, shoals, obstruction, and other dangers to navigation, voyages and makings, details about the location and types of buoys, lights, and other navigational aids, pilotage, information about the availability and requirements of local pilots who can provide expert guidance and approaching and maneuvering in certain areas, regulations and restrictions, information on rules and regulations applicable to the area, including the speed limits, restricted area, and any local restrictions. Port facilities, details about the availability and the capabilities of ports, including berthing facilities, fuels, supplies, and other services. The significance of the publication toward navigation and port approaches kay kinaimportantihan parehas ani ron nga picture og wala tay sailing direction publication ani nga lugar, wata information sa kani nga area, pwede ni mag-cause og problema or damage sa atong ship kay wala man ta kay baw og asay mabaw or lawom nga party ani nga coast. Dapit ang buoys o capacity sa naingon nga pantalan. Kinaimportantihan kini siya para pag-ensure sa safety of the crews and also the ship.